Alrighty. Slip, slide, ice-capades. Oh boy. Well, all we can really do is just see how it goes. Who knows? Maybe we'll do it first try. Doubt, but maybe. Because all these gems, well, almost all of them. I think there's like only 2 that 9 out of 10. If you miss, you're done.
What have we got?
Well, let's just do it.
There, to the sea, I tell you. Our salvation floats upon the briny blue. We must reach Engine's battleship, and quickly before it sets sail. But how? Think, Cortex, think.
Okay, here we go. That was a great start. Well, we already got to start over. Maybe I can... Oh wait, I can die here. I forgot. Aw, where's the cool ass music? I don't want this music. There we go. Alright. I think I remember where all the rest were. At least I'm pretty sure. Ah, man. Oh no, don't go out of bounds. Maybe we jump down there. No.
Get them off of me! Shoot!
What the? Alright. Well, what is the camera doing? Oh, we were so close.
Coming through! Ladies? Excuse me, madam. Are those real? Mother?
How did they get away with that? I have no clue. Wait. Chill for a sec. Okay. I think we're good. I think. I'm scared we missed one somewhere. Yeah, we missed one, I think. Oh no. Say it ain't so. Tell me it's not true. Oh! You were too rambunctious. Oh no, this is fine. I was terrified we were gonna miss that. Now we slow down. Holy shit. We did it. First try. Whoa, the noise is weird. The heck? Wow, we did that. First try. I can't believe it.
I've never been so humiliated. No amount of treasure could ever begin to compensate.
Treasure, eh? Bonza.
We really did that. First try. Wow. I'm just that amazing. Oh, the sound is glitched. What the hell? Oh, God. What is with the sound? Did you guys hear that? What even was that? That was awful. Ew. What even? God, that sound quality was horrible, bro. Sound like the sound was struggling to even live, bro. My God. It's on life support. What the fudge was that sound, bro? Is it fine? Is it fixed?
What have I got?
Okay, we did it, guys. The sound is fixed. I don't know why it broke. That was odd. Dude. Okay. Let's do this and get some luck. I still can't believe we did that. Oh, bro, that's easy. Oh.
What have I got?
Nah, that's fine. I was going back in. Where is it? Okay, we just... Oh, man. Oh, we can do spinnies. Alright, now that we got some rides, let's just continue. The camera trimming is passable. Oh. It's alright. I mean, it could be way worse, so I'll take it. Oh, dude, we have 61 lives. This is the most lives we've had in a while. I was only thinking about just beating the game, but that would be too easy. So why not make it more hard on myself? Oh no, that did not go according to plan, did it? Good. Camera. Thank you. Yeah, this is a decent camera. I can manage with this. Oh no. It's definitely not the best. Please. We have the gem. Let's always save the gem. Whew. Alright. Whoa, we were T-posing crash. Yeah, this level should definitely be interesting. Engine's really gotta get an exterminator. You see all the rats he has in this place? Like, damn. Buddy needs an exterminator ASAP. Get out of here. Got green gem. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. You tried. Dead. Okay, don't jump. Oh, yeah. Jerk. Got 2 gems. One. Hold on. 1, 2. Yeah, we're good. Because I kind of remember, I remember where all the gems are, so I don't know if I missed it. Super Mario 64. Thank you. Camera, okay. Oh, sweet. Jiminy. This is gonna suck. Oh boy, I can already tell. This is gonna be a chore. Oh no. Oh, great. And the camera's wonky. Even better. Great. Oh. Like, not only do I have to do this, okay, can't do that. Guess I'll just chill. Yeah, not only do I have to do this with a fight stick, or an arcade stick, or just an arcade cabinet. Yeah, that's correct. Not only do I have to do that, but I have to do it with a wonky camera, bro. I'm just gonna have to be patient. At least the camera semi-works. Please? Oh. This is honestly torture. Anyone else see that rat just fall off the cliff again? That rat keeps dying. We did it. We got a perfect camera. I really don't want to be risky. I just want to play it safe. Oh, man. Well, here we go. Let's do this. Oh, no. Oh, that hurt. I was so close. I could feel the gem in my grass. Can I jump to there? I guess not. Well, I have been waiting for a challenge. Challenge accepted, game. Oh, great. Oh my god, bro. camera here is garb. Yeah, this is a not good camera. Oh my god, this camera's bad. Yeah, in most levels it's just passable, but in some of these levels, with this part including, it's awful. Frick it, I'm just gonna do it. Why'd I go crazy? I should have just been careful. I would have been fine. Can I? No. I guess I'm just gonna have to be as patient as possible. Unfortunately. Okay, game. I'll abide to your wishes. All our lives down the drain. All of them. Completely wasted. Well, not wasted, but just completely decimated. That's as best I can get the camera on, honestly. Please. Thank you. You know, I just gotta relax. Just don't overthink it. Woo! Bro. I wanna jump, but at the same time, I don't. I'm just gonna have to do it. Ooh, yes! Please! Let's freaking go, baby. Yes! That was so satisfying. Bro, that's probably the most satisfying gem so far. Just raw skill. Beautiful. Now, I know there's another rat. Or I guess not. Usually there's two of them. Crash. Brother. Got some whoppage. That gem felt really good to get. Okay, we need two more. And I already know, one's in here and one's in Rusty's chase. So we got it. Sunlight. Not kidding, that was pretty hard. Do I even? Yes. And I succeeded. Flying bucket. And that's why, my friends, you don't glow. Because a stupid, filthy, skunk rat is just gonna dog on you. Wow. Bro is a hater. Wow. Here I go. buttering myself up, and then this certified hater just comes to ruin my day. That's how it always be. Haters gonna hate, as they say. Oh, nah, that guy died. And I'm gonna teabag on you. Rat over. Yep. Good ride. Come over here, Mr. Rat. Pop. Perfect. One more gem. Awesome. Let's go. We got some more scoop. Just be safe. Just be safe. Play it safe. Just do nothing but stay safe. And the camera center. Perfect. Yes. I'm just always paranoid. I'm gonna think I have all of them except one. There's gonna be a missing one. But now when it comes to insanity, well, you know, I believe in myself. If I'm right, I'm right when it comes to this game. Their engine is destroying his crow. Oh wow, I wonder if this boss is gonna be difficult. And for some reason, these TNTs, you can actually still hit and stuff. It's really weird. Look at that. You can attack it and it doesn't hurt you for some reason. It's really odd. Good. Come on, buddy. Accept your fate. That's what I thought. Ntropy is really going to be difficult, though. Oh boy, the amount of tries is going to be whack. Oh, buddy.
Yummy fresh meat for my...
Hello, buddy. We meet again, don't we? We gotta stop meeting like this. Oh boy. I like Rusty. This is my favorite chase scene in any game. Get that. And we got them all. I don't even need to pause to check because I already know. Please. Bro. No! Damn it! I jumped way too early. What am I doing?
Yummy fresh meat for my
I was expecting to die, but I somehow didn't. There we go. Get some distance at least. Crates. Got him. Nice. Double lives. Don't kill me! Bring it on! I'm ready. Oh boy. Shoot. I missed. No life. Yes. No! I slowed down! No! That fat jerk caught up to me. For being so massive, this motherfricker's Sonic speed, bro. Even Sonic's surprised by this man's speed. Dude, why? I swear, I'm not trying to slow down. Oh. Bro, go, Crash. Are you taking little breaks? Oh. You bugger. Okay. Never remember that one. Hit it. Jump. Yeah. I thought it was going to be the crates, but nope, it's a nitro, and I spin right into the biscuit. Oh, goodness sake. Nice. Called that. Take that, bro. Got him. Woo. Got them all. Let's go, baby. Son of it.
The rats are leaving the sinking ship.
Oh boy, this is where it's gonna get
Tell
whacked.
us where the treasure is, and we'll let you go. Silent! Looks like we'll have to wring it out of him. Brio, get changed.
Here's where it gets interesting. If we do this first try, that deserves a like and subscribe. I don't know, because there's no way. All the jumps you have to do, I just don't see us doing this not even close to first try. But who knows? Maybe our skill will work. That actually wasn't even that bad. As long as the icebergs are like that, we should be fine. What even is this supposed to be? Snow? It looks like sand. I have no idea. Bye, son. Okay. Just gotta focus and relax. We got this. Come on. Come on, bro. Give it to me. I'm ready. I'm ready for you, buddy. Ooh. We did that! First try. That deserves a like right there. Oh my gosh, we really did that.
Come along!
Let's go.
To the Psychotron!
First try, baby. I'm gonna be honest, I thought that was gonna be way harder. Wow. Oh. Dude, that was even more scary than the fight. If the icebergs were a little bit farther away, then it probably would have been a big deal. But honestly... sure. Yeah, we did that. We got every gem so far. No biggie. Let's do this. Yeah.
You monster! Let my brother go!
My crystals! Ruined, thanks to Perky here. Must be repaired, and only one person can help. My niece, Nina Cortex. Isn't she delightful? Obviously, I've made a few modifications here and there. Quickly, to my private dirigible. Set a course for Madame Amberley's Academy of Evil. This way.
Well. Here comes Madame Amberley's evil public school. Well, this is gonna be a journey. You know what this means, guys? We're going to be playing Cortex for the first time with a fight stick.
I love my airship. It's the only way to fly.
Hey, so this is how the rich and the ugly fly.
Oh, stewardess, will I have another bag of those spicy peanuts?
I would.
Boring!
I shall crush you like the pretty much you are. You are nothing to me, for I am the great all-powerful Neo Cortex. You keep it down, vermin. How dare you up and eliminate me? Rest assured, I will take my tail right in the pond.
Yeah, whatever. Skip to the good bit.
Yo, we got the turbo button. Oh, yo! Look at that shooting. We got like a freaking machine gun. Yo. Holy crap. Cortex is busted. Bro. Oh my lord. Did you guys see that? Cortex was like a machine gun. That was badass. Holy shit. I see he upgraded his plasma gun. It was like a machine. It was like a plasma machine gun. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh, Boiler Room Doom's gonna be horrible. The ball rolling. Oh yeah, this is gonna be horrible, isn't it? Oh boy, this is gonna be not good. I still can't believe how broken Cortex is with that. That was insane. Don't. You gotta tap it. Just tap it in. Bruh. Will it blow up from right there? You gotta be kidding me. That works. Wow. Sure, that don't work, I guess. No. Yeah, the ball rolling is definitely not good. Boiler Room Doom is gonna be, well, my Boiler Room Doom. Literally, the title makes sense. You already know these ones could be easy. The rest of the gems now onward are not as scary. Since that Escapades was the only really scary one, and we did that first try. Oh boy. This. Oh god. This is just bad. We did that though. Man, I still can't believe how broken Cortex was. Like, dang, Cortex. Now that's an upgrade. Since I like dogs, I won't kill them. I like dogs. I don't want to kill the doggies. I like dogs. Unless he hurts me, though. Don't do it, buddy. Since you're a puppy dog. Oh, really, Cortex?
The old alma mater. As a former student myself, I'm well acquainted with the many secrets this institution holds.
Buddy did not see that one coming. Oh, okay, I thought Cortex just blue balled me, and then that was gonna disappear. You gotta be kidding me. Never mind, I got blue balled still. Buddy, don't you dare. Boy, you lucky. I just gotta relax. Just... I'll let the doggy do his thing. We're just missing one gem. We get that at the very end and it's easy, so we got it. Can I jump on him? Nope, I just wanted to do it anyway. Hold on. What's the time on? 47. Huh. Honestly, yeah, since the ball rolling is a bit whack, I think I'm gonna sit this one out. Yeah, I'm gonna sit it. I'm gonna do this next time. Because it's gonna take a lot of willpower for how the ball rolling is gonna be. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Today was pretty great. I still can't believe we got Slip Slide Ice Capade's first try. Wow, that's what I call skill. And everything else was honestly pretty easy, except for that one gem where I had to platform a bunch. That was really the only hard part of this challenge today. We are definitely near the end, though. Next episode might be the final, but I think we're gonna have one more episode to finish the game off. I just don't think we'll be able to finish the whole game in 50 minutes, so tomorrow and the next day will be the finals. Unless we somehow do crazy good and beat the game tomorrow, but I just don't think that's gonna happen. And this time I really mean that. But yeah, so far this is pretty fun. Sure, some of the gems may have been a bit much, but honestly, it's just a challenge, and we still got literally 65 lives, and exactly 65 Wampa. So yeah, we're chilling with lives. We're more than good. So I think we'll be just fine as long as we don't get nothing too crazy. So now we realize Cortex is kind of busted. Now that Cortex has a literal plasma blast machine gun, I'm actually kind of excited to play as Cortex. We're just gonna gun everything down in seconds. Because holy man, Cortex with turbo is wow. He's insane. So yeah, I'm gonna be excited to play as him and use the plasma machine gun. That's gonna be awesome. Like, we wiped down those enemies with ease. You just hold the button and he goes crazy. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna be excited to get the Cortex tomorrow. I just can't wait. If only we had more levels with them, like the Gone a Bit Coco level, then we would have been able to play as him again, but unfortunately it was cut. Well, you know, it is what it is. So thank you all for watching. Comment if you enjoyed. Like for that amazing gameplay. And subscribe if you haven't already. Because why not? If you like what you see, and you want to support the channel and see more games with the fight stick, then go on right ahead. And after we 100% this game, that's not all. We're also going to play other games with this. Like Nitro Kart, Lights, Camera, Pants, and Tag Team Racing. So, well, I might skip out on Tag Team. I don't know if I'm doing Tag Team. But I already know I'm for sure doing Nitro Kart and Lights, Camera, Pants with the fight stick. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you being here. May God bless you, and hope you have an amazing night. And we'll see you tomorrow for maybe the final episode, but most likely not. So just part 4, and then part 5 at the end. So Saturday will be the finale, 100%. I can't wait to see you all next time. Take care, and peace out. May God bless you and your family. Love you all.